My name is Tristan with Granite Automotive. Winter is tough on tires. Tires can make or break your driving experience. Make sure you get good winter tires. Really calm your nerves when you're out on the icy roads. Make sure that your tires aren't overinflated, and always make sure that the tread depth is good, especially when you are going on trips or when you're expecting icy situations. So tread depth is checked by a tread depth gauge. I usually like to go on the center of the tire, and this is measured in 30 seconds. It looks like this one has about 30 seconds left. So I would expect to change these tires in about 20,000 miles or 2 years. If you have any winterizing or service needs, go ahead and just get a hold of us at Granite Nissan at 342-3400. Got the 605. Yep. Or come see us at 2626 East Mall Drive.